Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some more Bob and Pixie haircut ideas. First up, we have this really cute copper bob. This one comes to around shoulder length. Lots of really pretty tousled curls, and I love the copper color. And then we move into a hair transformation. So it looks like the stylist is doing a bob for this one. Oh, so he ended up doing a shoulder length bob with some layers. This is one of the longer bobs that we're seeing this season. Very pretty. So this is a great length if you still want to have some hair to play around with. A lot of women are opting for the longer bobs these days. So next up, looks like we have another bob. This one features a money piece highlight trend, just adding a little bit of some light. And then we move into yet another bob. Oh, now this one also comes to around shoulder length. It ends just above the shoulders. Oh, whoa, look at this Pixie. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. I love the amount of volume that this has, the overall shape. So pretty. That was just unreal. She had so much volume. And that is what we like to call an asymmetrical Pixie cut. Lots of hair in the front, longer on one side versus the other. Just so chic and polished. So here's another look at that layered bob. If you guys are enjoying these hairstyles and getting some inspiration for this fall season, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. So here we have a Pixie bob haircut. The color features this really pretty dimensional blonde tone. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. I am in love with this cut. So much drama behind that one as well. And then we move into a cut refresh with this Pixie. Gorgeous head full of hair. She has some really thick, pretty hair too. Beautiful classic Peter Pan Pixie here for this one. And then here we have someone with hair around shoulder length who decides to switch it up with this jaw length bob. Perfectly frames out the face. So hopping into the next one, she has some mid-length hair here. And it does look like she is getting a pixie. Ooh, wow. Another flawless pixie. This particular stylist does amazing pixie and bob work. Beautiful feather texture here. So pretty. And it also features that asymmetrical shape. That is definitely my personal favorite. Lots of volume, lots of height. So then we move into the next transformation. So she has a bob, I'd say about traditional length or so. Now from the picture, it looks like she might want to do more of like a mini bob style or a pixie bob, kind of hard to tell. Ooh, so she ended up getting a jaw length bob, perfectly frames her face. And then we have our last transformation. I think she's going to be getting a cut refresh here. Yeah, so she got a nice cut refresh of her bob. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.